Unleash your inner mixologist with the Ninja BN701. Tired of weak smoothies and icy drinks? The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender is here to revolutionize your kitchen. This powerhouse boasts a 1,400-watt motor that's more power than the original Ninja Professional, effortlessly crushing ice and frozen fruit for perfectly smooth results every time. Forget complicated recipes and guesswork. 3 Auto-iQ programs handle everything from creamy smoothies to refreshing frozen drinks, and even delicious ice cream at the touch of a button. With a massive 72-ounce pitcher, you can create enough for the whole family. Cleanup is a breeze too, as the BPA-free pitcher and blade assembly are dishwasher safe. And the best part? We're including a 30-recipe book packed with inspiration to help you create delicious and inventive drinks. Upgrade your kitchen and unlock a world of flavor. Ready to experience the Ninja difference? Visit our product page now and order your Ninja BN701 Professional Plus blender today. Link to